You failed.
Northwestern Louisiana, eastern Marion County in northeastern Texas.
Oh, wait, it actually went off for the weekly test.
County in northeastern Texas. Eastern Harrison County in northeastern Texas. Northeastern Panola County in northeastern Texas until 7:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:51 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Oil City, or 20 miles northeast of Marshall.
Shreveport, you are on one today.
This is a destructive storm for uncertain KARNACK, Caddo Parish, GREENWOOD, WASKOM, LONGWOOD, BLANCHARD, MOORINGSPORT. Hazard, 80 miles per
MOORINGSPORT?
hour wind gusts.
Y'all pulled a little rock.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. 80 miles per hour wind gusts and windows and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Shreveport, Marshall, GREENWOOD, BLANCHARD, WASKOM. This is a destructive Oil City, MOORINGSPORT, Caddo, Portland, KARNACK, Marion, 80 miles per hour with gusts and maple size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power damages are windows. Locations impacted include Vivian, Greenwood, Blanchard, Wascom, Jefferson, Oil City, Mooringsport, Austin, Belcher, Gilliam. The National Southwestern Arkansas. Southwestern Lafayette County in southwestern Arkansas. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across the Texas, Louisiana state line, Caddo Lake. Seek shelter now.